This is the new Elpris GRS1560LC-4, a crimping tool for MC4 contacts and similar. To crimp the pin for the MC4, you simply put the pin in the correct position, depending on size. Press the button under the locator to hold the locator open, and then let the pressure of the spring adjust the crimping position of the terminal. The terminal will be slightly tilted to match the opening of the crimping tool. Press it just a little, to get the wings rolled in a bit, before putting the conductor in its place. Put the conductor in just as you would with a normal roll crimp terminal. It should stick out just a millimeter or two. Then perform the crimp.